flying with nice and clean picture, sharp picture, is in some cases very crucial for FPV. So you can actually see the smallest things, branches, wires, and so on. But sometimes, not sometimes, in most cases, in FPV you crash, and then you end up with this kind of fuzzy image, which is basically when the O4 unit's camera or lens is going out of focus. So in this video I will be trying to fix it, and I will show you how and what you need to do in order to change the lens of O4 Aries. So in most cases, when camera is going out of focus, that means that the small plastic holding the lens is either broken or moved slightly. So there is few ways how you can fix it. One of them, of course, is to get new camera, which will cost you around 100 euros. But other way is just to change the actual lens. So you will need a plus screwdriver, quite small, in order to open the housing of the camera. There is just two screws, one on top, one on bottom, but make sure when you are opening it to be very careful to actually not break any plastics inside, because unfortunately DJI made it so that they are not so durable. And as you see, the sensor is on the back of the housing and the lens is in front. In case if you are changing the actual sensor as well, then you just push the wire in and the sensor will come out and you can just disconnect it. Of course, make sure that it's cleaned, so when you put it back, so maybe it will give you some not clean footage, but and when opening the lens, make sure there is 4 screws. Be very careful, because those plastics which is holding the screws is very, how to say, sensitive. I mean, you can easily break them. How many times I didn't break them just trying to unscrew the whole thing. And from here it's quite straightforward. You have actual lens with this small thin plastic which is holding. In most cases, as I was mentioning before, either the plastic around is broken, or maybe some side of the screw is broken and the lens moved a little bit, and as I was trying it was slightly moving, so I think from there was coming the out of focus issue. So now all you need to do is just place it very carefully back and make sure that there is no any like a spare plastics in. In my case I had some pieces of plastic in, so I took them out. And place the lens back inside. Be very careful. I can't stress this enough, but the plastics is so sensitive. I mean, do it very carefully and not over tighten it, because you actually can break the plastic by just tightening the screw way too much. Then just pull back the sensor. And make sure that the sensor sits very nicely in the housing. Okay, I think I would needed to put some heat paste or something because originally there was, but as I've done it already a couple of times like this, I didn't had any issues with the camera afterwards. And then all you need to do is actually just screw back the front lens and you will be done. So it's not so complicated or not taking long time, but the thing is that as you are working with very small, how to say, electronics, you need to be very, very careful when doing that. And it's so easy. You can just change the lens and you will be good to go. So anyway, this was like a short video about how to fix the focus issue. I had another video before where I was actually gluing and fixing the lens, but this is another way how to fix autofocus 04 Pro Air Unit. Thanks for watching. You know what you need to do. Till the next time.